What's up, guys? Tyler at RC Madness. Got something cool to show you today. Being a little bit of a Subaru fan here, we got the Carisma Brushless 124 scale Subaru. It's a 99 with the full graphics, four-wheel drive. It's pretty awesome. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys, so you guys can come check it out. This is one of my more favorite years of the Subaru. Little side here, it is brushless, pistol grip radio, four-wheel drive, rubber tires, parts are fully interchangeable. Look at that paint job. Who doesn't like that? 8,000 kV. Does come with a nickel metal, but there is an optional 2-cell for it. So let's get it open, let's check it out. Enough looking at the box. This thing is cool. Oh. If I can get these open. The box is a little thin, I'll be honest with you. Doesn't feel poor quality, it's just a little bit weird. Pop this open. Alright, what do we got? Obviously, always on top, the instructions. Check them out, read them. I'm sure it's got some parts in there. Let's open it up here. What do we got here? Assuming we got the radio on this side. She doesn't want to come out. All right, might have to flip it over here. Oh, it's easier to slide them out. All right, so because they were stuck together like that. We got the radio here. Pop that open. Obviously, nothing too crazy, but they do give you some batteries for the radio. Looks like a USB charger. A couple spare parts in here. Let's open that. Well, we'll open that up real quick. Come back in here. It's a basic USB charger, nothing fancy. Some batteries. That'll probably go dead pretty quickly. Probably want to get some fresh ones. So I wanted to check out little baby 130 battery, 6-cell. Like I said, they do make an optional 2-cell, which I'd recommend. And looks like they throw some spare gears in there for you. Cool. Take a look at that controller. It's a little small. Kind of reminded me like a mini T battery or a controller or something like that. Plastic wheel, no foam. Basic adjustments. So, about to be expected with a mini ready-to-run car. But enough about that. Let's pop this thing open. This is really what we came to see. Oh, look at that. Look at this guy. Get the back. Awesome. Of course, the classic Subaru paint job with the gold rims. I think we got a zip tied in here. Grab my handy scissors here. Out. And look at this thing. Nice looking 24 scale Subaru. Is my hand. Put it in there. About mini Z size, I'd say, but a little bit better price, honestly. Let's go ahead and pop the body off. Uses regular standard body clips. Mini body clips, that is. Nice Lexan body. Well, standard weight, maybe a little thinner on the sides. Not too bad. There we go. Don't give you a whole lot to look at here. We just got an antenna coming out. Everything's screwed down here underneath the cover. Keep the dirt out of it. It is full suspension. Full independent. Rubber tires. Variable steering. Little dog bones in there. We got an on-off switch here. Assuming a battery compartment here. A little tight. JST plugs. Like I said, they got a little lithium battery that goes in this guy. Wheels are bolted on. I know they do sell different rims and tires for this. Give you a nice soft little rubber tires here though. But yeah, that's the Carisma 124 scale Subaru Impreza, 1999. Awesome, cool looking car. Like I said, full 4-wheel drive. Don't forget about that. All right, we got the mini Carisma Subaru in action. Show you guys the speed here. We got it on our carpet track, wicked high traction. This is with the stock battery. It's pretty quick. They said they do sell the optional LiPo with it. Coming down the straightaway here. Oh, clips along pretty good. Like I said, super a lot of traction on here on the carpet track. But for the price, can't beat it. She's pretty durable. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Swing down to the shop, come check it out, play with it. We'll see you in the next one.